All right, welcome to Garage Mahal. Today we are going to be mounting large tires, mainly large used tires. A lot of shops don't like doing this. I don't mind doing it as long as the tires are in decent shape and we can get them done. So a couple things I want to go over real quick. First, you're going to need a Bead Blaster, at least 5 gallons. That's probably all you need is a 5-gallon one. But I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this after you get the tires mounted. My machine, it's the Mayflower. I've actually done about over 1,000 tires on this thing. Check out my other video for that. It has a Bead Blaster. However, it doesn't get enough air in here to mount these larger tires. So, thus, well, we got this little sucker. All right, first thing, and I've seen a lot of guys make the mistake by not doing this, and this is kind of dangerous if not done properly, but you want to put your valve stem in. And the reason being is because once this bead seats, you want to make sure it stays there and it doesn't lose air. Because once you lose air on the thing, then it's basically game over, starting over again. Okay, another thing I always recommend is you want to wear some sort of hearing protection. I'm going to use this one since I can put that on and off quickly, but I like, these are my go-to hearing protections. So after you put the valve stem in, you want to make sure that you obviously put gloves and have safety glasses on. You want to charge your little device, make sure the big valve is closed. And then I charge it to just over 100 pounds for this size tire. And when you buy one of these, it gives you a guide on what to look for. And then next, you want to have your air gauge ready to put on there as quickly as you can after you do this. And basically what you're doing is you're going to sit that on the bead and then let all the air out as fast as you can. And that's all there is to it. And you want to quickly put air in it. So, and the compressor's going to kick on. I'm going to put this up to pressure, but let me step back to the compressor. But basically that's all you need to get that set up, and it works every time. Just make sure that you are using enough lube on your tire bead to make sure that that's going to sit on there properly for you. And the second thing I always like to use, I got some stubborn stuff. I like to spray a little bit of this pink cotton candy stuff. That is your bead beads by Ken Tool. This is great stuff. I love this stuff. But anyhow, that's it. I'm from Garage Mahal, and that's how you seat a larger tire when your Bead Blaster isn't powerful. Anyway, I'll put the links to everything that I use. Other than that, Brian from Garage Mahal. Have a great day. Be safe. Thanks for watching and subscribing.